language use a feature where you will be able to make a colorful screen and you will be able to put a text in a different color. So how to do all those things? And we have been observed that sometimes your cursor will distract the overall look. So how to hide the cursor, that we are going to discuss in our today's session. So let me introduce you first what we are going to do in the today's session. In the today's session, we are going to discuss about how to create a text background as well as displaying the text in a different color. Now observe that your cursor is distracting the overall look. Okay, so how to hide it? It looks much more better. So we will discuss how to hide the cursor. Similarly, how to display the cursor in a solid block cursor, and finally how to make it normal. Okay, so these are the things that we are going to discuss in our today's session. So in today's sessions, we are going to discuss how to change the text and background color, how to blend the text, and how to hide and show the cursor. One can change the color of a text and background color in C to give what graphical looks. Okay, so it means you will be able to create certain graphical environment, but of course we are not going to use any kind of graphics header file in order to work with the graphics. And each color is assigned a number. So there are basically 16 unique colors that has been given over here, and all this color has been given a number, that is unique number from 0 to 15. So it means overall there are 16 colors that are available, and you can use any one of these colors in order to make it as a background or a text color. The default background color is white, while your text color is what? It appears in a black. To change the background, you can use the text background function. Similarly, to change the front color or text color, you can use what? Text color function. One can also blend the text. So how to do it, we will discuss during our practical session. And remember, whenever your text background color and text color are same, in that case, the text is going to be appear as what? It is going to be invisible. And we have tried all this program using your Borland Turbo C and Dev C compiler. Now how to hide the cursor? One can hide the cursor freeing from the distraction or when you don't want to block your view of a text. So we have already seen most of the times it has been observed that cursor may distract the overall look. So how to hide the cursor? So for that purpose, so we have a function called as set cursor type. You can provide a parameter no cursor. So in that case, it will hide the cursor. Similarly, you can provide a parameter solid cursor to display the solid block cursor, and to bring it to the normal, you can provide a parameter called as normal cursor. Okay. So remember, this no cursor, solid cursor, and normal cursor, they are what? A symbolic name, predefined symbolic name, and you can assign the values 0, 1, 2 respectively instead of writing no cursor, solid cursor, and normal cursor. Now it's time to do a practical session what we have learned in our today's session. So let us include your two header files. Basically, this folio is going to be useful to use the function like go to xy, text background color, text color, clear the screen. For all this purpose, you need to use what? A folio.h. So let us clear the screen and let us display a message say hello. Execute this program and observe. The default background color is what? It's a black, while your text color it appears in a white color. Now you can position or you can display this particular message on any location using a function called as go to xy. You are able to put the cursor on any location. For example, here in this case, what I mean to say that display the message hello on 12th row, column number 10. Let's see what is happening. Okay, that's fine. Now, in order to change the text color, use the function text color, say red color. Now, observe if there is any change. So, no change at all. So, in order to make an effect, now instead of printf, you need to use cprintf. Now, please remember printf statement use or standard input output. It means it is use a screen, while cprintf statement display the message on Windows. Let's see. That's fine. Okay. Now, how to change the background color? Now, to change the background color, you can use a function called as text background color with the green effect. Let's execute it and observe. Okay. Now, how to blink it? So, for that purpose, what you need to do, Now observe that this cursor looks very odd. So how to hide it? So for that purpose, you can use a function called as set cursor type. 0 represent what? No cursor. Now let's execute it and observe now your cursor has been what? Disappeared. Okay. Now how to change it to the solid block if you require. So simply specify 1. Okay, so this is what your solid block cursor. Now after displaying the solid block cursor, if you want to make it a normal one, so what you need to do? Set cursor type 2. Okay, it's the solid block cursor, and now observe it comes to the normal. Okay, so similarly, after adding the cursor, what you can do, you can bring it to the normal. So it is hidden, and now normal cursor. Okay, now how to display the text color using a 16 color. So let's see, it's very simple. We need to use simply a for loop. For I equal to 0 less than equal to 15 plus I. Now in order to display the cursor on a neckline, you can use a /n